To integrate DigitalOcean Droplet backups, start by understanding the importance of backups for your cloud infrastructure. Backing up your droplets ensures that your data is safe and can be easily restored in case of any failures or data loss. First, you need to enable backups for your droplet. Log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the droplet you want to back up. Click on the droplet and select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, you will see the Enable Backups option. Toggle the switch to enable backups. DigitalOcean offers automatic backups, which will take a snapshot of your droplet once a week. The backup will be stored for 4 weeks, after which it will be deleted. You can also take manual backups of your droplet at any time. To take a manual backup, navigate to the droplet and select the Power option. From the drop-down menu, select Take Snapshot. Give your snapshot a name and description, and then click Take Snapshot. The backup process will start immediately. In addition to automatic and manual backups, DigitalOcean also offers block storage volume snapshots. This feature allows you to take snapshots of your block storage volumes, which can be used to create new volumes or attach them to existing droplets. To take a block storage volume snapshot, navigate to the Volumes tab and select the volume you want to back up. Click on the More option and select Take Snapshot. Give your snapshot a name and description, and then click Take Snapshot. Best practices for integrating DigitalOcean Droplet backups include enabling automatic backups for all your droplets, taking manual backups before making any significant changes to your droplet, and storing your backups in a secure and accessible location. It is also important to test your backups regularly to ensure that they are working correctly and that you can restore your data in case of any failures. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your DigitalOcean droplets are backed up and your data is safe.